Wakenya, uzuri sana wa hii katiba yetu ya 2010 ambayo tunajivunia sana ni ile freedoms ambazo ziko katika hiyo katiba. Freedoms of expression, freedoms of speech, freedoms of association, mingi sana. And that's why it is called the most progressive constitution in the world. Uliza Professor Makau Mutua, uliza Dr. Willy Mutunga, uliza watu hata wa South Africa, even in Germany. I was there and people really express their affection with this constitution. Na ndio maana uzuri wake ni iko hata na uwezo ya kuambiana ukweli. Ndio maana nataka kuambiana ukweli. Wacha tuambie President Uhuru Kenyatta ukweli. Ukweli ni kwamba hiyo change yako una propose katika constitution ya 2010 ni yako na ndugu yako Raila Amolo Odinga. Actually, ikizidi sana, just a few of Raila Odinga's supporters in Luo Nyanza are with him on this. Many of them, even in Kisumu that I know, many have already since left. Hawako na yeye katika hii jambo. Kwanza tuanze tu kwanza, President Uhuru. What are we changing? What do you want us to change? At least the first Bombers one, Haji told us a number of things which everybody agreed that they were okay. By that time, hata COVID haiko imeanza. Baada ya sisi kuagree, Raila and his team again took it away to the ground, to the field. Wakaanza kuzunguka nayo tena. Now we don't know what is coming in this one that you want us to change. You elected leaders, why are you not telling Uhuru ukweli? What do you want to be changed? Honorable Sabina Chege. Say for example, if you are saying blindly that you support the president's call for change of constitution, the Kieleweke group, mukisema ya kwamba you are supporting the president for the change. Senator Kangata, if you are supporting the president for the change, what are you supporting him to change? What is in it that he wants us to change? Supposing in Murang'a, he said he wants Kangema and Madioya to merge, to reduce constituencies. Supposing he says Murang'a and Nyeri or Murang'a and Kirinyaga to merge so that to reduce counties, will you support it? Will you support it? Supposing the proposal says that the Senate is scrapped, Senator Kangata, will you support it? What are you supporting? What are you supporting? Ampia Uhuru ukweli, we don't know what he wants us to change. But let me tell you, I have been around this world. I have seen what happened. I was in Uganda in 2006 when Museveni started the proposals for change of constitution. And I saw that also in Rwanda. I saw that also happen in other countries, like even Zimbabwe during Mugabe's time. When incumbents come up with proposals for change of constitution, like what happened here when Moi started agitating for constitutional change, yet he wanted to increase his time into Section 2A. It becomes very dangerous. It is very dangerous for an incumbent to want to propose change of constitution. Hiyo si kazi yako bana. Just like in First Chronicles, chapter 28 verse 6, he says, Mungu akamwambia Samueli, endo kaambia Daudi, kazi ya kujenga hekalu na koti si yake. Hiyo kazi ni ya mtoto ambaye nimemchagua, naye ni Solomon. The same thing. Every leader has his own appointed work. For example, when you, Uhuru, was campaigning in 2017, When you, Raila Amolo Odinga, was campaigning in 2017, show us anywhere in the manifesto of ODM, in the manifesto of NASA, in the manifesto of Jubilee, where you told us that you want to change constitution. That one of your mandate in this 5-year term was to change constitution. Where was it? Where was it? So that you just wake up and you want to ambush us. Where was it? Where did you tell us that mukinichagua ni inaenda kubadilisha katiba? Who told you that we want a change of constitution? We want the full implementation of this constitution, which you have not done, President Uhuru. You have not done it. Instead, you have taken your enemy akuje kukuguide. How can you take your enemy to be your guide? How? This is not the Uhuru that I campaigned for, that I elected, that I voted for. This is a very different Uhuru. Actually, what many of us propose is that, Mr. President, you may want to do a referendum of whether we want a referendum or not. You may want to bring a referendum on whether we want a change of constitution or not. You cannot be the one to declare a constitutional moment as of yourself and Raila. No. Hii Kenya ni yetu sisi wote bana. And let me tell you, you are inviting a lot of issues on you. Even those of us who have respected you, who have wanted you, who have loved you, and you, ODM and NASA, please don't tell us and teach us how to behave with our president. We elected him more than once. When you people refused him, when you are abusing him, we elected him. When you are showing us his weaknesses, we elected him despite the weaknesses. So he is ours. Wacha sisi tuwaambie how to behave with our president, not you to tell us. Gladys Wanga and others, you cannot tell us the goodness of Uhuru Kenyatta. We know his goodness, we know his badness. Sisi tutajua. Na President Uhuru tulichagua wewe, hatukuchagua Murathe, hatukuchagua Tuju, tulichagua wewe. So don't mess us up. Don't mess us up, Mr. President. The most dire issues right now in this country, we are going all over. I don't know what your intelligence is telling you. Do you know if you went into Ngong area, if you went into Kiserian, Matasia, if you went into Kitengela, if you went onto Kiambu Road, you will find graduates, you will find people who have been managers, who have been high-placed people in government, are selling vegetables on the boots of their vehicles. Do you know those vehicles are on loan? Do you know those vehicles are being taken back? Do you know people are losing their houses? Guys are parking every day going into the village. Many of us have lost jobs during this time of Corona and during this time of your confusion within Jubilee, between you and Raila. Professionals, thinkers are in the houses. Today I've met 3 guys, friends of mine, we were with either in campus or around the same time. They are selling with their wives warus, sukuma wiki, cabbages on the bonnets, on the boots of their vehicles. And they tell you that even those vehicles are on loan, they are being requisitioned, they are being recalled. And that, yet, President, you are thinking that the priority of this country ni katiba. Bwana. The priorities of this country are very clear. How are we going to get out of this corona business? How are our children going back to school? Children are in the house. Children are getting pregnant. Watoto wanatiana mamimba. Brothers and sisters, cousins and nephews. Wanatiana mamimba kwa manyumba. We don't know what to do with them. Watoto wana njaa, watoto wana chakula. People who have never known any other way other than working in the office who do now find themselves in a precarious situation. They don't know what to do with their babies in the house. Mr. President, the problem is not the Constitution. The problem is implementation of the Constitution. The problem is you. Wachana na mambo ya Raila. Raila is enjoying you. Raila shall not even share in your legacy. No. You must wake up, President. I am looking for the president I elected. I am looking for Uhuru Kenyatta that I elected. I am looking for the Kenyatta that I defended even on social media. As much as I was abused, I was blasted, I was called names, a traitor and all. Because of this president. And I'm looking for that president. Sikupati. Nakwambia mtaani watu wamejam. I'm telling you, this country is held by God. A guy with 2 masters today in the morning, nimempata. Call me, I bring him to State House. Anauza vitu mboga kwa bonnet ya gari. And the wife, who is equally very educated, they lost their jobs. A young man has just come from my house right now. Alifungiwa nyumba. Ananiuliza nifanye nini? Nimemwambia maybe you have to go home. Huko nyumbani hakuwa amejenga. Corona. Na mambo na wizi wa pesa za corona. People don't know what to do. People are desperate. Watoto wako njaa. Watoto wameshika mamimba, watoto wameanza kuingia delinquents, watoto wameingia madawa. There is nothing. The president, a family president, they are looking for a family president. And what is happening with this church? Bishop Mark Kariuki, Bishop Ole Sepit, all other bishops, please wake up and tell the president. Tell him the way Alexander Muge told Moi. Tell Uhuru the truth the way Ndingi Mwana Nzeki told Moi. Tell Moi Uhuru the truth the way Reverend Joya told Moi. Write your history. We are looking for a guitar in you. What is happening with our Muslim sheikhs? Wake up. Inchi inatokomea. It is serious. And we are just there. Watu wameogopa. Elected leaders, an MP, a governor, Governor Kiraitu. You are a civil society product. A second liberation product. A fighter. Governor Kibwana. Tafadhalini ambieni mzee ukweli. Katiba, change of constitution right now, kuongeza nafasi za uongozi, it is not the solution. Let's say, for example, you are right that we need to change a constitution to take care of a win-win situation. Are you saying that Kenya ceases to be a democracy? Are you saying that now there will be no competitors? There will not be losers and winners. What kind of a country are we going to, are we looking for? A monarchy? In fact, you are rewarding bad behavior. That people who win and who lose elections, we shall not be accepting that they have lost. In all democracies, what happens is there are winners and there are losers. Watu wajipange. Ukishinda kura, una form government. Ukishindwa kura, unaenda kwa opposition. Opposition iko na kazi yake. In fact, the 2010 constitution, it has now provided even for a budget for an official opposition. All we can do right now, if we want to bring Raila as a loser into government, into parliament, or active politics, this can be changed in the House. Let's change the law in the House to allow for a loser runners up to come into the assembly. Why can't we do that? Why can't we, even if you want to say that the ministers should be among members of parliament, that is something that that may be, but is it a priority? Is it a priority, sir? Is it a priority today? Wakati watu wanalala njaa, wakati watu wamepoteza makazi, wakati watoto wako manyumbani, wakati magonjwa yamezidi na hatujui kwamba ugonjwa hii itaisha lini, wakati kuna corruption imekula mpaka inakula hata pesa za kutibu watu, wakati magovernors wameenda rogue, wanakula pesa yote ambayo inaenda katika counties mpaka watoto wao wenyewe tunaona kwamba ndio wanaalloketiwa pesa. Only one legacy, Mr. President, you can die with is the legacy of corruption. Tukuambie ukweli, kama unaweza okoa nchi kutoka kwa corruption, wachana hii mambo ingine, wacha katiba, wachana nayo bana. Katiba haitusaidi. Hii katiba, you know, first of all, you are the first president on this katiba. So why would you want to change it? And yet we have not known the truth of what you have done with it. You have not even implemented all of it. You haven't. Any other president who may do better. You are not a preserve of wisdom and knowledge. No. Any other president may come in and do better than you. And you cannot use this constitution to appease Raila Odinga. No. Hii Kenya ni yetu sisi wote bana. Lakini ukiamua kwamba unataka katiba, ukiamua, hata hakuna haja basi ya kufanya kelele. No. Hata hakuna kampeni, usipoteze time. Weka maboxes. Weka ballots. Ziweke zote huko kwa street. We are ready to vote tomorrow. And we will show you. Kenyans will show you how they will vote. You saw it in Gatundu South one time. And you saw it in 2002. Kenyans know how to vote, Mr. President. They know how to vote. You cannot reward bad manners